How to fix your Tinder account network connection on internet issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you experiencing a network connection error on Tinder? If that's it, we have got you covered. First thing first, make sure you're connected to a strong and stable internet connection. This could be through Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the internet is working fine, let's move on to next step. For this, you have to go to your device settings and then you have to go to apps, or you could directly long press Tinder and go to app info. Now from here click on storage and cache and clear the cache. After that, you also must check the permissions if all the necessary permissions are given. After that, try to restart the application and launch it and it should work. However, if it does not, sometimes the issue could be because of server side of the Tinder. In that case, you might have to wait until it is fixed by their end. Likewise, if none of the solutions work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application on the device. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.